Hi, my friends. This is Barbara, and I hope you're doing well. I am back with chicken gravy and biscuits. The first thing you want to do is, okay, you could use 2 or 3 chicken breast. You know, mine's are pretty big, so I'm just going to go with 2. 2 cans of cream of chicken. 1 cream of celery. You're going to want to throw some pepper in there. Okay, we're going to put some onion powder, just whatever you like, to your tasting. We're supposed to put some, excuse me, we're supposed to put some garlic powder in there, but I don't have garlic powder because I use it so much, but I do have some chopped garlic. It is okay to use this, okay? We want that flavor. Oh my God, I just hit the phone. Okay, I'm going to put a tablespoon. All right, and then what we're going to do, let's get that all in that. This is a 16-ounce mixed vegetables. Just throw her in there. Pretty much all I want to do is love those recipes where you just throw it in there and walk away. That's the kind of stuff I like. I'm always so busy all the time that I have no time for cooking, and that is why I do the Crockpot. Let me know why you like Crockpot cooking in the comments. I just would like to hear all the different answers that I'm going to get. Okay, we're going to set this on high for 4 hours, or we're going to set it on low 6 to 8 hours. All right, and this is what it looks like when it's done. What you're going to want to do is split open one of your biscuits and just put your chicken gravy on top of your biscuits. Or another thing you can do is you can put it in a bowl and just put the biscuits on top of the gravy. Okay, friends, this is it. If you cook this, please let me know and comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you, friends. I love yous.